Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this ending video edit on, animation on CapCut PC. So I am just going to select a video, for instance this one, and I am going to, I'm then going to go to mask and I'm going to select circle, and I'm just going to leave it like this first, and then I'm going to add a keyframe here in the middle, and then at like kind of here you're going to want to scale it down a little bit. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to do that here first, and then I'm going to add a keyframe so that I can scale it up here and kind of know where it is. Whoops. Oh, make sure to feather it out first. I keep forgetting to do that. Just a little bit though. Then here I'm going to mask it up, and then at the end I'm going to fully make it super small so you can't see it. And here just add in like a fade out animation so that you can't see this at the end, like so. And that's pretty much it. Really super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.